Guys, today we will be fixing the seat on this Volkswagen Polo GTI. We will be doing the handle to pull the seat back to the front and that handle. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike, from Dutch Mike of course. So as said, today we will be fixing the driver seat. It has some problems with it and we went to the Volkswagen garage. We have some original parts right there. A lot of parts. So basically what we're going to do is fix this piece here to make it whole again, and this one. You can see it's broken off, so I hope it's just clicking on and then it will work. So well, let's go. First we will be starting with the one on the underside, because frankly I feel like that's the easiest. This does a lot less pain on your hands when you're turning it. So I believe this is just a clicking on thing. I hope so. It looks like it. I have no idea. In what way? Huh. Well, this was easy. Hey, the top side here is rubber, so it's easier to turn. Well, that doesn't come off anytime soon anymore. So now we'll be looking at this. So basically I have no idea how to do this. So what you do is you take the parts and you start puzzling. This one is empty, this one is empty. Now this one has a couple of parts to it, I guess. I don't know. Empty. So, hoppa! See, original Seat, Skoda, Audi, Volkswagen. It looks like this was brought in from Brazil. Yep, Brazil. Vintage parts. The car has an age, of course. So, yep. So basically what's gonna happen is we're putting this on here and this on here, so you can pull the seat with this lever to the front. Now there is only one part. I mean, I get that. That is the easy part. But we have a small one. A small part right there. Let me show it to you guys. Yeah. It's this one right here. So I have, it looks like a clip of some sort. I have no idea what it's for. So it takes a little bit of puzzling. It could be in here, and then that one goes there. Well, honestly, I don't know, so we're just gonna figure it out, because as you can see, or don't, there is nothing left of the old one. Oh, wait a minute. Yep, here it is. On the top here, you see the old one. It is glued on there, but you see the thing, this small part comes on here. Okay, so now we know that. Let me get some tools to pull the old one off. Alright guys, I have a little bit of tools, so let's try and get this old sucker out of the way. Almost there. Hold on, let me get another tool. So guys, we have the old one is off. You can see it was already taken loose once because it's all gluey. Well, basically this one comes on. You see the little pins here which click into this. It's a sort of a little T-piece. So, well, let's get it on right away. And it's on. Okay, so now what we're going to do is put this one on first. Now the way this fits is that I have no idea, but you can see it. Yes, it has to be like this. This is not easy, and this one, no, not yet, Michael, not yet. Oh no, it's stuck. Okay. That should be that. And on this one, with a little bit of help, comes over here. Comes over here, you little, you son of a bitch. Come on. Up, up. There we go. Well, that should be it. It's almost done. I have no idea if it works good, but it should. So, this one has to click on. It goes a little bit hard. It works just fine. So yeah, we just need a little bit more of pushing and then we will be ready. I will show you in the next few minutes. Alright guys, this is the way it looks now. This is brand new. The other side, the downside is brand new. It works all perfectly. Perfect. So yeah, I'm quite happy with the result. With original parts, was expensive, all of this. I don't even want to talk about it, but it is original, it is for this car, and it fits, so yeah. I'm quite a happy guy. And I think Mandy is happier too, because now she can get the purse on this backside. So yeah, happy. So guys, we fixed the seat, that is all perfect now, brand new, good as new. And now we're going to tear it all down. No, I'm just kidding. Come look with me. This is how a backlight is supposed to look. This is bad. That's a bad light. Backlight. So usually the problem comes with this old cars because on the back side, excuse the mess, we needed the tools. Because on the back here you can directly access the lights. There is a rubber on it that is worn out, which makes moist coming in the car, which makes the car moist, which is bad. However, when moist is getting hot, it will vaporize and it will leave this. This has to go. So what can you do? You can do a new rubber on the back, but they are not for sale loose. So what we're gonna do is to drill a little hole in here, as small as possible, but so the moist can get out and doesn't go in the car, which makes nasty odors and all that stuff, sort of stuff, go bad. So a little hole on the outside so the moist can get out of the light and not into the car. That is what you want. So let's drill a hole. Alright, so now because this tail light has two sections, the big round one here and the pink is right here, we need to make two holes. I'm gonna make them as low as possible, so here in the corner a little hole and here in the middle so the moist can get out. So yeah, I'm gonna make the first hole right now. You can see even the water in here. See? You see a small layer of water? Well, that has to go. So let's go. Oh yeah, that is definitely water. You can see there's water coming out. So this is gonna take a couple of hours, maybe days to set itself, but now we're gonna make a little hole here. Ta-da! Little holes, and you can't even see them. Do you see it? Let me know in the comments. A little one there and a little one there. I'm thinking about doing a little one on the top either, so you need to be very precise and very careful. So now the water can slowly come out of here and the moist will all disappear, because you know, when this is closed, the water will go in here and then make itself in here, which is the back side of the lamp. So you want to get rid of that very fast. This is the way. Now the left side is not necessary just yet. Maybe in the future you want to use a drill as little as possible so you don't see it. That's the idea, you don't see it, but it works. I did this on my Golf 3 GTI. Within a couple of days, never returned. As much water as it goes in there, doesn't matter. It will just pour itself out, because if you have a layer of water in here, it will heat it up and it will make vapes all over the lamp. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this result. You can see in a couple of days if it works. I believe it will. When you look at this, there is nothing in there, so we'll leave it at that. Maybe in the future, when it will go leaking water in here, maybe then we will drill some holes. If it's not necessary, don't do it, but yeah, you can see this was necessary and we had to do this. So yeah, that being said, leave a thumbs up if you like this one, if you like my inventions. So, and do not forget to subscribe down below and leave a comment what you think about it, because this is something garages will not do. They will say, yo, you just need another headlight and backlight and tail light and whatever, and they will make you money. This is a cheap yeah, solution. Yeah, I was looking for that. So use as little as possible, go in there and it will fix everything. So we are done for today. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe down below as said, and I will see you next time, guys. See you later.